Hello, welcome to the channel, and this is a video how to replace Volvo XC40 SOS battery in the module for SOS function. So just to get your context of it, the battery lives in this area, and this is the module with the battery in it. This is what you'll be replacing. That's the unit there. So to get this out, you'll have to pick off the under tray first, under parcel shelf. So this shelf here, it's held on by two clips on either side, so you'll have to press these forward and lift it up. As you can see in there, it will latch it forward. Sorry, latch it. When you press it in, it will release, and it's on both sides. So get that up, and then you've got these tabs on the front here, and you pull it forwards, and then it will come out. And after that, you've got to get this trim out here. This is over here. So you've got 4 screws in them, 2 8mm there. Release them off. And then there's 2 8mm in there as well, one there and one on this side. So if you undo all those, 2 on the inside just need to be loosened off so you can pull it up. Those live underneath the trims, and these trims sit in here and they just lift straight up. You can put a flat screwdriver in there or a trim tool. If you're careful with a flat screwdriver, it should be absolutely fine, and they just clip straight up. And obviously that comes off there, and then this piece here sits underneath the carpet there. You'll have to wiggle it out and get it out from there. You've got 3 screws in there. There's one on this side, one in the middle, and one at the back there. So just to show you on here what if it was on, one there, one in the hole, and then one at the back there, and then that just pulls out. It's a bit of a fiddle because the carpet tucks underneath in this channel, so you can get that out then. So once that's out of the way, this unit sits like this. You've got 10mm there, plastic nuts, 2 of them. Remove those, and the whole unit will come up like this. And then you've got some clips in there. You can push the clips out, get this unit off, and then you've got a little cover panel to pull that off to replace the battery. And once it's replaced, you'll have to go into it and code it to let the car know that it has a new battery, and then hopefully everything should be working as it should. So there is a software update to do on it after this, but this is essentially what to do to replace a SOS battery on a Volvo XC40. I hope that helps. Any other questions, please feel free to comment and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.